Connection of the voltmeter. How is the connection of the voltmeter in AC? In AC, the voltmeter, one hot to the hot bus bar, and the neutral to the neutral bus bar. Simple. Exactly the same like DC. You remember DC? To the positive bus bar and negative bus bar. That's it. This is for phase 1, this voltmeter. What about the voltmeter for the other phase? Okay, to the hot, the red hot, and to the neutral. That's it. Finito. What about the frequency? The frequency. The frequency is the same, no? Hot with hot and neutral with neutral, because the frequency is in parallel with the volt. And now the amps. Now the amps. All the ammeters, they have in the back two terminals. Two terminals. Be careful with this, because in the majority of the ammeters, AC or DC, they have the letter, the symbol positive and negative. Really, really, you don't need polarity. And you have the donut. You remember the donut? The donut is the same that the clamp of the multimeter. The donut have two terminals, two cables. Where should be located that donut?
On the hot wire?
In the hot wire. In the hot wire black, in the hot wire red. And where should be connected those terminals of the donut?
Doesn't matter after that.
In both terminals here. Doesn't matter like this or like this. Okay, that's clear? That's it. And the ammeter right now is connected. Good, guys? Difficult? Connect the ammeter. Some marine ammeters, they have those three cables. Green, 12 volts or 24 volts DC. This is exclusive for the light of the instrument. The light of the instrument is working with DC current. If my volt is 24 volts, I use that one to the ground bus bar, to the negative bus bar of the DC panel, and this one to the positive bus bar of the DC panel, not the AC. I don't like this. I prefer ammeters with the light AC, because I am here in my AC panel. In my AC panel, I don't have DC. I prefer those ammeters with the light AC. Oh, of course, one is neutral and the other hot. That's it, for the light. This one, you need mix it with the DC panel. This is because in some boats, the DC panel and the AC panel are pretty close. I don't like that, because the people make a lot of mistakes. It's easy to confuse the black cable of the DC panel, negative conductor in the DC panel, is easy confused with the black cable hot line in the AC. That's not good. For that reason, I don't like that proximity. But in some boats, in the same compartment, they have a division for AC and DC. You need to be careful with that. Okay, that depends on the manufacturer of the boat. Ready? The connection of the ammeter and the function of the donut. Where should be connected the donut? In the hot line. In the hot line. Simple.